Hey guys, so I had some people asking about how I put the bumper back on after I put the Harbor Freight winch on there, and I'll kind of show you how I did it. I got a screen right here to protect it from the bugs, but basically all I did was cut this section out. It was a lower bottom part here, and I just took a grinder and cut it out. And I would, if anybody does this, I would take some rubber and put rubber around here so no one cuts themselves on it or anything like that. I mean, the rollers protect the cable, so not a big deal, but yeah, I just cut it with a grinder. Wasn't too bad. And also there's a plastic piece right here. It's kind of hanging right now, but I wanted to kind of leave it on the bumper. I didn't want to take it off of the bumper, so I just cut that as well. You could probably zip tie that up to make it look a little better. I just haven't done that yet. But other than that, that's all I did. It was not too bad. It fits pretty good. It looks all right. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks.